Hi guys, my name is Rachel and this is my boyfriend right here. I'm new here, so if you like this video then click that like button, and if you want to see some more of me and my amazing life then subscribe and help me grow this family. So for my first video I'm going to be showing a cute and easy makeup look for the day or the evening. I'm just using my scrunchies to tie up my hair because you gotta save the turtles, you know. So I start off my look by picking up my brow pomade. Mine's in the shade medium brown, and I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows so then I can outline them later on. For my brows, I like them thin-ish and to have a good arch in them. I also like to make sure that there's a fade at the front so it has a more softer look to them. Now you should have something that looks like this, and then you just want to repeat that on the other side, and then your end results be looking fleeky. So continuing with my brows, I'm going to be using my concealer and slanted brush so that I can outline and clean up my brows. So what you want to do is you just want to dab some concealer on the brush, and then you want to carefully trace around your brows so that they are the shape that you want them. And then you just want to repeat that on the other side. Okay, then you want to grab your beauty blender and just work that in. Now what I like to do is I put a spot of concealer on each eyelid and I blend that out so that you have a nice base for your eyeshadow later on. Now I'm grabbing my fluffy brush and a nice brown shade. Mine's not eyeshadow, but it's cute, so I'm still going to use it anyway until I can get new makeup. And you just want to blend it on your creases up and outwards. And it should look something like this. Now with your concealer again and your slanted brush, you just want to cut your crease nice and clean there. And it should look something a little like this. Then what you want to do is you just want to repeat that on the other side, and voila! So next I'm going to be using a nice bright pink shade. And you just want to put that on your inner corners of your eyes and then repeat that on your other eye. And this is what I've got so far. So now I'm going to take a nice golden shade and I'm going to pack that into the outer corners of my eyes as well as the inner corners too. Then you want to take some of your highlighter and place that over the top of the gold shade just to give it a nice extra glow. After that, I do like to curl my eyelashes. I do it for like 20 seconds on each eye just so that they're nice and volumized. Then you want to grab your mascara and apply that evenly on the top of your lashes. And then on your bottom lashes as well. So now we're going to move on to the rest of our face, and we're going to start off with the concealer again. I put it under my eyes, my chin, my forehead and the bridge of my nose. I also put a little bit just on my cheeks because I don't wear foundation, so it will help all of my contour and highlight show up a bit more, be more pigmented. And then you just want to blend it out. So next I'm going to be using that bronze shade again, and I'm going to put it on my cheeks, on my forehead, and then I'm also going to do it on my nose too, just so that I'm looking a bit more chiseled. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to set my brows in place with this gel. I'm using a medium brown shade, and I just brush them out into the shape that I like. This is just to make sure that they don't, fall out of place while you're doing your jobs in the day. Now I'm grabbing some highlighter again, and I'm putting it along my cheekbones, my nose and my cupid's bow. Next I'm using my MAC liquid lipstick in a nice dark pink kind of shade. And I start off by outlining the top of my lips with a kind of cross shape so that you get the right kind of outline, and then I fill in the rest of my lips. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Thanks guys, bye!